up guys? Welcome back to P-ZEE Builds, and today, we're not building a P-ZEE again because today we are actually reviewing a very special case. Oh really? You guys already know that I'm actually unboxing a Cougar Conquer Essence? Hello guys, and yes, we are actually unboxing a Cougar Conquer Essence, which is right beside me, as you can already tell, because this box is huge, which is the little brother of my badass PC right there, you know. Let's dive right into it. Okay guys, so this is actually not the first time but the second time of me unboxing a Cougar Conquer case, and I already learned, because last time I did this I was like opening it from the top, and here it didn't work because you gotta cut it from this side. This box is freaking enormous, guys. Ooh. This actually felt familiar. If you haven't seen my video on my Cougar Conquer, I'll link it right here. Okay, so this is actually for the fans on top of the case, so I'll put it aside. Okay, let's take this thing. Oh, here we go. This glass is actually pretty heavy, guys. Like, I think this one is thicker than a car window. So we got two of this from the front and for the back, of course. Now let's open one more layer of this cushion. And oh, okay. So as you can see, guys, it's already pre-built. It's already assembled. Unlike the Cougar Conquer Case 1, that one actually is like disassembled completely, like from the bolts to like the that, like nothing is assembled at all. So this, in this case, it's actually nice. Although I'll probably gonna be missing the experience of actually like touching and then like screwing everything down. Anyways, let's take this thing out of the box. Comes with the screws, your motherboard standoffs, and some sticky things, sticky ties, so you can actually wrap your cables in the back and make it look nice. And this is the actual case. Okay. This one is actually cute. It's small. And now let's take some B-roll on this guy. That was quite a B-roll. This one is actually really nice to shoot. Like, there's a lot of angles that are actually so interesting. Like the edges, like the holes, the metal frame. Like, everything is just... It's beautiful, man. Like, when you touch it, it's like... Yeah. You know, like when your wife's like touching it, like... Oh no. Like, scratch that thing out because my wife is gonna get mad at me. Anyways, this one is a really premium case. It's not the cheapest. This one costs around 335 Canadian dollar, which is in US. Just Google it up. This one is really interesting, guys, because this one is like a mid-tower case version of my case. This one is a full ATX. Let me just show you the comparison, guys. Let me put them side by side so you guys can tell. This is the comparison of the two, the Cougar Conquer 1 and the Cougar Conquer Essence. As you can see, at this point it doesn't look like much, but to be honest, it's actually smaller, and trust me, that small gap right there, it's, let me see, yeah, it's actually like this much, like from that angle, it's this much difference from here to there. Like it's really hard to tell, but it's actually this much difference. So it is that much difference, but I would say if you have a really good space in your room, I would go for this big one right here. But if it is on the tight side, I'm gonna go with this one. This one is pretty much the same thing as that. Like 2 USB ports at the front, you got like a microphone jack, a headphone jack, a reset button, and a power button. And because we only have those number of ports at the front, obviously our cable should be matching that number as well. So USB 3.0, audio jack, power, reset, LED, HDD. That's it. Literally, that's pretty much it. That's all you got. You got a metal piece, some cables, and some buttons. But they look good as hell. That's the point. Some main difference that I actually noticed from this one and the Cougar Conquer is the power supply. The power supply on that one actually is like right at the front, which is, to be honest, is a problem in the Cougar Conquer. Doesn't reach the actual motherboard when you're running the cable from the front going to the side. So in my case, I actually run it from the inside of the computer, which is really bad. That is why I already ordered some power supply sleeves, so it looks cool and I can run it at the back. But in this case, you just have to put it at the back like a regular PC case, which is always a good thing. And you got your brackets here for your graphics card, your graphics card holder. For the hard drive bay for my Cougar Conquer, like the drive bay is actually hidden at the front right here. But in this one, you can just slide them down right here. That's that. And another thing that I saw missing from the Conquer is like the metal shield right here, which is, to be honest, that feels so good. That feels so good, man. That is actually missing on this one, which I'm not sure if it's a big deal for you, but for me it is. I love the design. So let's get out of the Cougar Conquer and stay with this guy. So what else do we got? We got like for the fans, you can only mount 4 120mm fans, 2 at the top and 2 at the front. They can also be in water cooling AIO, so you can put like 2 240mm radiator from the top and at the front as well. Other than that, this one can fit a full 80X motherboard. So I'll continue building it and show you guys the finished product in a bit. Let's go.